Welcome to my channel. LB-Link Router Login. LB-Link Web Management page allows you to change Wi-Fi password, network name, SSID, and default router settings at http://192.168.16.1. Open a browser and type 192.168.16.1 in the address bar. Enter username, admin and password, admin and click Login. You will be logged in to the LB-Link router interface. Update: LB-Link Model BL450H new SuperAdmin function user account password, admin and account password, LB-Link. How to change LB-Link Wi-Fi password and SSID. Log in to the LB-Link Routers Management page. Click on the Advanced option on the main screen. From the left menu, go to Wireless Settings, Basic Settings. Enter the Wi-Fi name in the network name, SSID, field and click Apply. Go to Security Settings and enter your Wi-Fi password in the passphrase field and click Apply. Your router will reboot and you will have to reconnect your Wi-Fi network using new credentials.